fender's full of rust. Burns a little oil, don't go real fast, but I give her all my trust. Sometimes I call her names and I'm ashamed. Occasionally I get stuck, but she's all mine, and with some time I'm gonna fix her up. There's a hole in the floor, handle broke on the door, headlight hits the moon. Need 6 spray cans to make her shine, half gallon of Bondo too. Sometimes she has a fit, and I must admit, takes every single sawbuck. Got high miles, but I like her style. I'm gonna fix her up. Love my truck. She's my girl, queen of my world. I'm gonna fix her up. Gave her blue eyes, maroon tail lights, neon under her frame. When I drive around in my town, no other truck looks the same. A little bobblehead, cover for her bed, mutters to sling some mud. New shiny rims and shock switch shims, a brand new set of lugs. Love my truck. She's my girl, queen of my world, and I just can't give her up. Now she's rad, looks real bad, but rides like a horse does luck. Better trade her off before I've lost all of my good luck. Her seats lean back, you know what that means. Think of all the possibilities. A mirror fell off just after I bought it, but I'm gonna fix her up. Love my truck. She's my girl, queen of my world, and I just can't give her up. She's my girl, the queen of my world, I just can't give her up.